Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you the steel weight calculation. So here we have the steel weight. You can see that. So here we have the problem. Find the weight of a 10-meter long steel bar with 10 millimeter diameter. So you can see that we have the two units here. So here we have the millimeters and here the length in meters. So in this photo you can see that here the length in meters. So here you have to keep in mind the length in meters and here the diameter in millimeters. While putting values in the formula, so first of all we have this formula d squared 1162 multiplied by length. So length here, this one, and the diameter here. So you can see there you have to keep in mind, you have to put this unit. For dia you have to put millimeters and for the length you have to put in meters. So you can see that 10, here we have 10 and here 10 millimeter dia. So keep in mind that you have different units in the formula, not the same units. So when you will do the math, so you'll get this answer. So 6.2 kgs. The answer will come in kgs. So you can see that this answer 6.2 kgs. So it's quite helpful formula for calculating the steel weight for preparing the bar bending schedule in specifically in civil engineering. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and keep subscribing, sharing. Thanks for watching. Thanks.